Today we are diving into a sleek, versatile and highly useful gadget designed to enhance your workflow, especially for those involved in online teaching or digital drawing. Whether you are a student, educator or content creator, this 2-in-1 document camera and webcam is packed with features to elevate your presentations, video calls and live demonstrations. Right out of the box, the CZUR Fancy S Pro stands out with its flexible, multi-joint arm that allows for effortless angle adjustments. You can position it exactly how you need, whether you are capturing documents or using it as a traditional webcam. Plus, it's foldable and lightweight, making it super portable, perfect for those who need a high-quality camera on the go. It features a 12-megapixel HD CMOS camera, delivering crisp, high-resolution images with sharp details and vibrant colors. And let's not forget its 180-degree mirror rotation feature, which allows you to quickly switch perspectives for different viewing angles. Lighting can make or break your video quality, and CZUR has you covered with a 3-level adjustable fill light. With just press of a button, you can adjust the brightness to match your environment, ensuring your content is always well lit. And if you are presenting or teaching, the built-in microphone captures clear audio, so your audience hears you loud and clear. One of the best things about the Fancy S Pro is how easy it is to use. It's completely plug and play, meaning there is no complicated setup. Just connect it to your device and you are good to go. It's also universally compatible, so whether you are using a laptop, desktop or even a tablet, it integrates seamlessly into your workflow. So if you are looking for a high-performance document camera and webcam combo, the Fancy S Pro is worth checking out. This is all about this review. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.